So last night after the market closed, Boeing released that its buyback is increasing to $20 billion, up from $18 billion over 2019 and 2020, and its dividend is increasing 20%. So those are very positive signals to the market in terms of how it's thinking about its free cash flow and its ability to execute.
Will they really buy all that $20 billion over the next couple of years? Or so what does their history tell you?
Well, they bought $9 billion back this year, so it would seem the buyback would be about 50% of free cash flow, roughly speaking, and the dividend is about $4 billion, so it's about 30% of free cash flow.
The stock over the past month or so past couple of months has had some stumbles, partly related to that crash of the 737, I believe it's MAX. Is that a concern of yours that there might be something wrong with that plane?
Sure. So there's a lot of focus on the 737 MAX, whether it's the Lion Air incident, which is very unfortunate, or whether it's monthly deliveries. The reason for that is the MAX is increasing in production. It's 25% of the free cash flow bump as we look at it into 2019 and 2020. So it's a critical element of free cash flow growth, and that's one of the key areas of focus.
What is their trade vulnerability?
Boeing's has an ability to execute. The trade vulnerability is really sales to China. It is a big exporter. It sends about 1 in 3 planes to China, so that's the risk. But really what we're looking at is the demand factors. Air traffic has been very strong. It's up 7% year to date. And as that continues to be there, as the demand's there, the supply will come.
It's at $328 now. You think it can sell almost $100 higher by when?
Sure. So that's our 12-month price target is $420. Simply speaking, if we put a market dividend yield of 2.2% on it, it implies the stock should be at $375. If we put a market free cash flow yield on it, it gets closer to our price target. The stock's currently trading at 8% free cash flow yield and change. The market's at about 5.5%, so still a steep discount to the market.